Today, I will show you a very quick skin glowing recipe using only 3 ingredients. First, we will need apple cider vinegar. Then, aloe vera of your choice. It can be pure or the one that I'm using, which is 95% of aloe vera. And the last one is bottled water, 90% filled. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera and apple cider vinegar. Put the mixture into the bottled water. Shake it well. And we're done. Easy, right? You can use this toner every day and anytime if you feel that your face is dry and dull. It will give the skin an instant boost of glow. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.